In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to unsend an email in Gmail. Let's get started. First thing first, Gmail does not actually have unsend an email after it has been delivered. Instead, it gives you a short window of time to cancel the email before it fully goes through. This feature is called undo send. So first, you can compose a mail. Once you're done, click on send. Now you're gonna get this kind of pop-up undo send. You'll need to click on that. With this, your email won't be sent and you are able to edit it. Now here's a pro tip. By default, Gmail only gives you about 5 seconds at undo. That's not much time, right? You can increase this delay up to 30 seconds. Here's how you can do it. Click on the settings icon. Now click on the option see more settings. Here you're gonna find the option of undo. Click on that drop down and set it to 30 seconds. Now you'll have more time to catch mistakes before your email is gone. Just remember, once the undo time passes, the email is officially sent and cannot be recalled. So always double check your emails before sending. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.